In this video, I will show you how to turn Chatgpt into a professional HR and recruitment writing assistant to create high-quality job descriptions. I'll start by opening Chatgpt and preparing a foundational prompt from my notes. I want the AI to understand its specific role, so I copy these detailed instructions that define the tone, structure, and local context I need. I paste this into the chat and hit send. Chatgpt acknowledges the request and provides a clear outline of how it will format every job description from now on, ensuring they are clear, honest, and free of corporate jargon. It even gives me a handy template of the details I should provide to get the best results. Now, let's see it in action with a real example. I go back to my notes and copy the raw details for a digital marketing specialist position at a local coffee brand. I paste that information into the chat, and the AI immediately gets to work. It transforms my bullet points into a professional job post, complete with a compelling job summary, specific key responsibilities, and a clear list of qualifications. It even formats the salary and benefits perfectly. Next, I'll try a completely different role to show the AI's versatility. I'll copy the requirements for a store operations supervisor at a burger restaurant and paste them into the prompt. Notice how quickly it organizes the operational duties and leadership requirements into an easy-to-read format that's ready for any job board. Finally, I'll generate one more for a creative role. I'm looking for a social media content creator and video editor for a candle company. I paste the specific project details and watch as the AI crafts a job description that feels creative and inviting. It highlights the aesthetic requirements and the flexible nature of the role exactly as I requested. By using this structured approach, I can generate polished, professional job postings for any industry in just a matter of seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.